Hi everyone, it's Amber from Quilts Plus. I'm here to show you a new product today, or at least it's new to me. It's called the Large Easy Point Turner, and it's by Suki Sews. It doesn't look like it's going to turn points. It looks like it's going to be used for something else, but it is in fact a point turner. It has a point on this end and then an opening on this end. So I am going to take my tube that I've prepared. This is inside out. I've got a 1/4 inch seam allowance on it. I'm going to feed it into the side with a point. Then I'm going to just hook it onto around the point and insert the part with the hole over the point. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky, and it took me just a little while to get kind of used to how to maneuver this, but you wiggle it past the little hump and then it starts to move pretty easily. It just passes from one side to the other, and I'll pull it and I have my tube turned. Now I'm going to do something else kind of fun with this. You can do lots of different things with it. Now I'm going to show you how to insert this piece of foam into the tube. I'll start by putting the tube back on the tube turner. I'm going to put it on right side out. Then I'm going to grab my piece of foam. I'm going to tuck it right here so that it is caught in that little hole. I'm going to grab my piece of fabric. And the hardest part is getting it over the little hump. So once I've done that, I just grab it and maneuver it, and it pulls right over my piece of foam. So now I have a covered handle, and it fills out the whole handle. It looks great. You can adjust the seam so it's either in the middle or at the side, however you'd like it to be. But I've just made a covered handle. Another thing that can be difficult is to turn zipper tabs inside out or right side out, because they're small and it's close quarters. So if you take your pointed end, put it on the inside, make sure you've caught your tip, and then just use that to turn your zipper tab right side out. Once you've got it right side out, you can use your points, your pointy end, to get the points out of in the zipper tab. Or if you prefer to use a stiletto, that's fine too, or even a chopstick. But I think this works just fine. Now you have a nice zipper tab that was easy to pull out. This is a great new product. I personally purchased this the minute it came in. It's $25. I think it's well worth the price, and I think you'll enjoy it. If you're a bag maker or a garment maker, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Come and see us soon. This is Amber, 269-383-1790. We're open from 10 until 5, Monday through Friday, and 10 until 3 on Saturdays. Thank you.